How to fold a t-shirt to save space for travel. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today in this video I'm going to show you two methods using how you can fold your t-shirts to save space for travel, and this is very suitable for using packing cubes. Now if you check online, there are many other videos showing different ways, or some of them even they call military way, and my folding method is not that. It's going to be different, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And this may not be perfect, but it works for me, and hopefully it will work for you as well. So the first method I'm going to show you. So you have to take the t-shirt and flip it over, and so here you're going to kind of fold it this way. Okay, so we have to make sure that this is nice here, otherwise it's not gonna look good. And then you're going to take this part and kind of make it even, aligning with the other side. So now you have it here, and you can just fold the cuffs right here, and then you can fold it here this way, so it looks like kind of even. It doesn't have to be 100% accurate. Now you're going to do it this way, and you're going to do it again, fold it again, and then here we have a t-shirt, compact and neat, ready to travel, and you can put it in your packing cube, which I recommend whenever you're traveling. Now let's look at the second method I also use. So you're going to start with the same way. You can flip over the t-shirt, and then now instead of making both half sizes similar, you can just do one by one. So for example, you can just fold this part, and you can fold the other part on top of it. So let's take a look here, and you're just going to take this, but you have to make it even to make it look nicer. So you're going to just do like this, and as long as they're 50% each, then that should be okay. But here I see that one side is a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to adjust them to make it come close, and here you can see it looks okay. And then this part I have to fix it as well. Here you can give it another fold, or you can just leave it flat. Either way is fine. So once you have that, then you're just going to take this part and fold it again. And now all you have to do, you just keep folding it, and then here you have your two t-shirts. So you can see that there's a slight size differences. This one looks a little bit more compact, and this looks like a little bit more flat and longer, but still it works both ways. And these are my favorite methods to fold the t-shirts or polo shirts when I'm traveling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.